Now that's a X series. That's a Trail 125. Got a little different setup on the suspension. Auto start, so you ain't gotta keep kicking it and getting tired when you're in them trails. That's a 24. You a penguin? I see. Quack. Oh, that's a duck, my bad. We got the boys finna get on them KX. They finna hit them woods on them KX. That man pulled up right on time. We got the boys outside. I was finished out here in that sand trap.
Don't like it. Boring.
This bad.
I'm just kidding.
Tell them you and that Stacy. Tell them what's going on. That's right. Hey girl, you gonna be on a 250 one day giving them problems. What? You got them youngers already, so we're gonna keep the day rolling. Good vibes. Happy New Year to y'all too. KS65 over there in the corner. You know how it goes. You're not about to be going too far. Gas up time.
We about to make it to that first tree and that was it.
Oh, you talking about that? That's a clutch.
Oh yeah, that clutch right there. That mug is out a little far.
It just dumbs it down.
So you about to ride it? Go ahead. Boy, Major, they got on that KX.
Which way you trying to go?
I go that way to get in.
Ooh, they got fun.
You want to go to?
Somebody's running some VP.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
Oh, that smells great. Guys on this way?
It's like a little S track, like how this look.
Yeah. Does it connect to this?
Yeah, all this connect. We can roll down there.
Okay.
Come on, we roll. I roll with y'all. Want?
Curious, like if they can make they can start doing little laps.
Yeah, cause what I told Rob, I said after I'll give you a whole lap. Just follow me, so he can see the whole track one time.
Excuse me, where's that?
Oh, yeah, you in the woods? Ain't no bathroom in here. You gonna be able to get down this spot? Uh-huh. Yeah, this ain't that. That's pit bike. See my hand? How does that? Come on.
Why do you still have your arm raised?
Huh?
Why do you still have your arm raised?
I don't know what you said.
Why like this?
Cause my arm still hurt.
Oh.
get him. Said I'm ready to get him.
Watch out, little man.
Yeah, they always remember they moving through here. Anytime we come, you always see how I'm staggered? You always gotta stagger or go up. Yeah, don't never sit. That way you don't get smacked by them fat guys.
Keep up, boy.
How you feel on that KX, huh? Got robbed out here in the woods for the first time. How you liking it?
Okay.
It's okay. Say they don't track, but it's something, you know. It's something to get your skills to pay the bills up, that's all. You dig? We got a little spot around. Yeah, man, y'all stay tapped in, man. We done popped in the woods on a little cool day. Got the kids out. Done popped into the pack. These boys ain't playing. Need a 4 feet ahead. My boy Rob, we gotta take him to the top. You gotta go get him a bottle, need some water. Getting a little worky and getting a little thirsty. Yeah. I'm gonna come right back around and I'm gonna show you a lap. I'm gonna spin this one with them real quick. Yeah, you good. Yeah, we just gonna do a big lap and then when you come back with him, I'll come back with you. All right. You wanna go right there? Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
All right, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Oh, you doing another one?
What?
You doing another one? Oh, y'all about to leave. So y'all about to pack it up, he said. Oh, yeah.